Hello students, I am Moshimipal and today I am going to teach you about plant adaptation. Do you know what is adaptation? Let me tell you what it is. The process by which an organism adjusts itself to its surroundings with the help of its special features for survival is known as adaptation. Have you seen the cactus plant? Have you noticed that the leaves of the cactus are modified into spines? Do you know the reason? They are reduced to spines to protect themselves from predators and to reduce transpiration.
This enables the thick stem to
store more water and survive in the hot and dry desert. Let me tell you one fact about rose plant. You might have seen that roses have spikes or thorns present on them. Do you know the reason? Let me tell you the reason. Roses have thorns to protect them from being eaten by animals who might be attracted to them due to their sweet fragrance. Now, let us learn about the adaptive features of plants growing in plains. Point number 1. Plants growing in plains have several branches and leaves where the climate is hot in summer and cold in winter. They have several leaves to keep the tree cool by the process of transpiration. For example, peepal tree and mango tree. Point number 2. They have well-developed root systems to give extra support to the plant. Point number 3. They have thick bark
to protect themselves against harsh winters. Point number 4.
They have broad and flat leaves to capture maximum amount of sunlight for photosynthesis. Point number 5. They shade their leaves during a particular season to prevent loss of water from the leaves by the process of transpiration. I shall now tell you about the adaptive features of plants growing on hills and mountains. Point number 1. Trees are tall, straight and conical in shape. Do you know the reason? Actually, this conical shape does not allow snow to get deposited on branches and it can slide off easily. For example, pine tree and cedar tree. Point number 2. Leaves are green, narrow and needle-shaped. They have a waxy coating on their surface to protect themselves from severe cold and prevents water loss due to transpiration. And finally, the adaptive features of desert plants. Point number 1. Most desert plants have long roots that grow deep into the soil to absorb groundwater. For example, aloe vera. Point number 2. Roots of some desert plants like cactus grow over a wider surface area and much closer to the ground surface to absorb the surface water. For example, cactus. Point number 3. Leaves are modified into spines or thorns to prevent loss of water by transpiration. For example, cactus. Point number 4. Some desert plants have small leaves to prevent loss of water. For example, bubble tree. Point number 5. Stem of a cactus plant is green in color to perform photosynthesis. It also stores plenty of water, so it is thick, soft and fleshy. So students, I hope you can now identify and are also in a position to explain the adaptive features of the plants. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.